This is a step-to-step user guideline to our program for calculator for reaction force and internal shear force of a beam. This calculator is a program that's designed to calculate the reaction and shear force of a beam based on our user inputs. This user manual provides instructions on how to use the program effectively. Introducing our teammates consisting of Jovita, Doris, Natalie, Singwei, and myself, Christina. To explain the rationale behind our project, an accurate reaction support calculation plays a significant role in construction considering it maintains the stability and safety of structures. So, an effective and trustworthy program should exist in order to reduce the error in calculations as well as to save time and computations. Therefore, the objective for this project is to create a user-friendly computer program to automate the computations of reaction supports in structural engineering projects, which led to us being able to produce a program that can determine the reaction support for beam which contains one load only when they're subjected to different statics and dynamic loadings. Now onto the user guideline. Upon running the program, this interface will be shown. The program interface provides a visual representation of the beam and its components with explanation of the variables involved. Now the next video will be showing you step by step on how to use this program. Please be noted that negative integers are considered invalid. Upon running the program, you're required to input the total length of your beam in units of meters as shown in the requirement. Next, it will require you to input the distance between pin and rollers, again in meters, followed by requiring a distance of point load P from A identified as variable X in meters, and enter the value for point load P. If the input data is valid, the calculated reaction forces at A and B with random values will be displayed on the screen. Then it will ask you if you wish to proceed with calculating internal shear force. Press 1 to continue, and any other key then 1 if not. If yes, it will require a distance of point Q from A for shear force in meters. Please be noted that the distance of point Q from A should be in positive integer, and it should not be more than the total length of the beam, nor it should be less than or equal to the distance between the pin and roller. The calculated internal shear force and calculated shear force A and B with round-off values will be displayed on the screen. Then it will repeat the question if you want to calculate another point, which will set you back to the requesting distance point Q from A for shear force. Otherwise, press any other key than 1 to discontinue. The same question will pop up unless you input command to discontinue, as shown. Then the question whether to calculate another beam will conduct. Press 1 to continue, any other key to choose otherwise. If you decide not to proceed with your calculations, you may discontinue the prompt and the program will end. To restart, you may need to rerun the program again.